To do analysis, go to Statistical Genetics and choose Lattice Design tab. Get started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select genotype. Next comes the blocks column. Then select the replication column, and then select the variables. If you want transformation, click for transformation. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. In the Pairwise Comparison tab, you will get pairwise comparison between genotypes. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Diagnostic Plots tab to create Adjusted Treatment Means Plot, Raw versus Adjusted Plot, Forest Plot, Heat Map. If you have 3 or more set of observations, use the Multivariate tab to perform PCA with downloadable results. In the Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs.